Today, you're going to learn about how to make a QR code from a Google Doc or a website or Google Sheets or anything that you published or that you want to publish. So the biggest thing that you start with is this blue share button. So let's say I want to start with a document I've created already. Most of the time I might have a title, and when I go to share, it'll let me just straight away copy that link. And it's really important that we get this link here, the copy link, and press Control C and then done, and not this link at the top, because if I select this link at the top and not the shareable link, I won't let anyone else but myself be able to view it. So it's really important that we get the shareable link from the blue button. The other option is, let's say I'm just starting a new document. When I start to share, it's going to ask me to name it. So just another step to take is to name that doc and then continue to get shareable link. A lot of times students will ask, why don't I just write my name in here, teacher? Well, the whole goal of this activity is getting the link to the document so that you're going to be able to create a QR code. This might be helpful if you're sending the document to one person. You also want to be careful if you're going to give them editing, commenting, or viewing privileges, but right now we're not giving anybody anything. We're just getting the shareable link and then Control Cing it unless it's already been copied to my clipboard. I sometimes just do Control C just for extra measure. Once I have that link, I'm going to go to a new page and get a QR code generator. Not a QR scanner. QR code generator. The first one looks pretty good. Click on that. And this is where I'm going to Control V or paste my document shareable link. I'm then going to ask it to generate my QR code. And it shows up right here. Now there's a couple ways to get the information that I need. I could download it. I could do a screenshot. Usually I just press download. I don't need to get as many scans. I'm not going to sign up. I already have that, so I'm just going to press login. Or actually, it'll show up in a minute. I don't have to do anything. Just wait, press OK, and it'll show up straight away. There it is. So usually this is downloaded straight to my computer. If not, I can screenshot this or send it somewhere. But most of the time, I have this up and I'm able to move it into the document that I need. I could print this out, but a lot of times I will save it or screenshot it, put it somewhere that I want. This one might already be downloaded, so that's where we're going to stop for today. Hopefully you've learned how to make a QR code from your work. Thanks for watching.